So UbreakIFix is a electronic repair shop. It's in the name, UbreakIFix. They offer repair services for a whole range of products, mobile phones, gaming consoles. It was founded where we're based in Florida in 2009 by Justin Wetherill after he broke his brand new iPhone 3G. Ubreak has over 600 locations as of the end of 2021. The initial franchise fees, $25,000 to $40,000. To open a new UbreakIFix, it's going to set you back $118,000 up to $370,000. You can expect to pay over $100,000 to the franchisee or their approved suppliers for the franchise fee and the initial inventory and other expenses to get the business open. They do require franchisees, prospective franchisees, to have about $150,000 in net worth, and financing can be secured through third-party lending sources via UbreakIFix. They charge a royalty on 7% for non-re-commerce revenue. So think new products that you're selling or just services you're providing, and then 4% on re-commerce revenue, so used equipment that you're selling. According to estimates and modeling, we believe the franchise locations might make around in sales $500,000, and if it's an owner-operated location, $100K, $120K that they're earning. If you have a full-time manager, it would be a lot less, maybe $40K, $50K that you can make from a UbreakIFix business. When it does come time to sell your UbreakIFix franchise, if you invested $240,000, you could potentially get $400K back when it does come time to sell. Over the last 3 years, the company has been in decline in terms of franchise units. They've decreased a net 17 units. 2019 to 2020. So in terms of franchise locations, 17 opened 2019 to 2020. And then in 2020, they closed 44 franchise locations and 97 franchise locations in 2021. Most of those were corporate buying the business back. Usually that would be a huge red flag that they're closing all these locations, but a lot of them are the corporation Asurion, who owns UbreakIFix, buying the locations back from the franchisees. And you can see the company-owned stores have gone up 20x from 2019 to 2021, from 18 to 360 locations. So corporate has been on a tear, opening and buying back locations from their franchisees. The question is, are they going to continue to expand with corporate stores? Are they going to pay much attention to franchisees? So just in 2021, they acquired 171 franchise locations from the 554 existing locations at the start of the year. So over a 30% reacquisition rate, which is much higher than industry standard, that's usually less than 5%. So we recommend you definitely talk to current franchisees of UbreakIFix, as well as former franchisees that maybe sold back to the franchisor, to see if this is a business that they would invest and operate again.